How to tell if an Instagram account is fake. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to tell if an Instagram account is fake. First, open the Instagram app. Now search the profile that you want to check. The first indicator which shows a fake account is their number of following. If they are really very high, that means the account might be fake. Also, you'll hardly find any comment on their profile. You will not find any comments even on their previous posts. It definitely shows that this account is fake. Now tap on three dots on your top right and select the option of report. Go ahead and report this fake account. Select the related options so that Instagram may block them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.